Welcome to Brain Vision.
So first of all, we have given CH triple bond CO CH2 CHCH3 whole twice. So this is the structure. This is the condensed formula actually. Okay, so we have to find the bond line structure for this. So let me first draw the complete structure with carbon and hydrogen atoms so that we can easily interpret into bond line structure. So this can also be drawn like this. Here we have this carbon atom with one hydrogen atom, and now this carbon atom has three triple bonds here. So we will attach three triple bond. Now when we are drawing these three triple bonds, so this means that for this carbon the valency has been completed, because carbon is tetravalent in nature. It can make four bonds at one time, so that's why valency is completed here for this now. And now we have next carbon, and as I said, carbon can make four bonds only, so that is three bonds are already complete and one bond is here. Okay, so now its valency is also completed. And then we have oxygen atom. So oxygen atom will be attached like this. Okay, so in this way we can complete the valencies for each of the carbon atom. Now I have next carbon atom, and this carbon atom consists of two hydrogen atoms. So two hydrogen atoms are attached like this. Okay, so now this carbon atom is further connected to another carbon atom, and now the valency for this carbon atom is completed, and for this carbon atom we have hydrogen atom, and then this carbon atom containing hydrogen atom is also connected to two CH3 groups. Okay, so that's why we will attach two CH3 group. One is here and another one is here. So this will be the complete structure. Okay, so now here we have this oxygen atom, and this oxygen atom is connected to two different alkyl groups, right? So it is actually a ether. Okay, this compound is containing the functional group as ether. Okay, so now the bond line formula can be drawn like, here I have 1, 2, and then this is third and fourth and 5, right? Total of 5 carbons are here. Okay, I am not counting the longest carbon chain. I am telling you how many carbon atoms are here. So we have 5 carbon atoms. Okay, so now the important thing is why I am doing so, that in the bond line formula we do not represent carbon and hydrogen atoms. Okay, we only represent some special kind of functional group or substituents if we have. Okay, so that's why the carbon and hydrogen atoms will be shown like so. So when I am drawing like this, okay, so here this is the first carbon atom, this is the second carbon atom, this is the third carbon atom. So this is how we represent the bond line formulas. Okay, so yeah, now we have, this is here first carbon atom, and this first carbon atom is containing triple bond and another carbon atom, and now this another carbon atom that is attached to oxygen atom, right? If this was the first carbon atom, this was the second carbon atom, so now we have oxygen atom, and now again, so we have again a carbon atom, and now this carbon atom is further attached to another carbon atom, and this carbon atom to another carbon atom, and now also we have a methyl group. Okay, so methyl group will be shown like this. Okay, so this will be the bond line formula or bond line structure. Okay, so now this is bond line structure. Okay, so here you can see I have represented the ether functional group and the triple bond. Okay, so now the second part. So in the second part we have CH2 double bond CHCH2 CHCH3 whole thrice. So this will be the compound here, and now if we can also draw like this is a carbon atom which has double bond attached to another carbon atom, and this time this carbon consists of two hydrogen atoms completing the valencies being tetravalent, and now we have one hydrogen atom, and then we have this carbon atom containing two hydrogen atoms, and then we have this carbon atom, and this time this is CH3 whole thrice. So this means that CH3 group is being repeated for 3 times. So this will be the complete structure. Okay, so now how can we draw the bond line formula? So here I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So we have 5 carbon atoms in a straight line. Okay, so now we will draw the structure. This is first carbon atom, second carbon atom, third carbon atom, fourth carbon atom, and fifth carbon atom. And now to the first carbon atom I have a double bond. So this is the double bond here. And now to the second carbon atom we have this double bonded first and second carbon atom are here, and then we have third carbon atom which consists of two hydrogen atom. Fourth carbon atom consists of two methyl groups. So those methyl groups can be represented like this. Okay, so this will be the bond line formula for the given structure. So this is the bond line structure.